In this video, I'll show you how to change the sound settings of your Samsung Smart TV to get the best sound possible. So what you need to do is to take your remote control. Maybe yours is looking differently. That's not an issue. You need to go into the settings. Some remote controls have the settings button right over here, down below. But if yours does not have such a thing, press the home button, the one with the house. This menu will appear, or sometimes it takes the whole screen, and we need to go on the left side, pressing the left side arrow until you select settings. Press OK. Then from here we're going to go down with the arrow until sound is selected. Press OK. And now we need to go all the way down until you select expert settings. Press OK. And here we're going to have many different audio settings that you can edit to make your sound experience better. One thing that you can play with is to go over equalizer, press OK. You can edit then with pressing up and down until you get a sound that you like. Depending on which speakers you have, maybe you're using the speakers that are connected with the TV, or sometimes you have a home theater. By editing these, you can improve the sound a lot. But again, it depends on your setup. Another thing you can choose is auto volume. It will try to maintain the same volume every time you switch between channels. This way, sometimes if this is off, sometimes when switching between channels, one of them will be at a higher volume, the other one will be at a lower volume, and you always need to adjust with the remote control the volume. But by choosing this, you won't need to do this anymore. If you're having issue with your sound, you just need to go all the way down and select reset sound, press OK, then reset, wait a few seconds, and this will fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.